My name is Divya. I come from Julana, a constituency town in Jean district of Haryana.
So Divya means what? Certain enlightened thing or what?
Yeah, it means divine,
Divine.
originating from the gods.
So what's the divinity?
Sir, it's still in the process. I'm still trying to search the divinity in myself. And
You don't find any divinity in yourself.
Sir, I find divinity in myself, but I'm trying to develop it to give some greater good to the society of.
Okay. You are in the process of developing.
Yes, sir.
So what are steps you are taking to develop that?
Sir, to develop the divinity, I meditate every day for about 30 minutes.
Okay, so you
And
are walking on Lord Buddha's path, right?
And I try to visualize everything which is happening around me.
Visualize means what? What sort of vision you develop out of it?
I try to analyze it if it is
Okay, analyze it.
going according to me or according to what I think how it should go.
Okay, where are you from, Haryana? Jinn?
Genes.
Okay. So who was the last king of Jinn?
Last king of Jinn. It was Maharaja Jindia, sir.
It was or he was?
He was.
Okay. So what dynasty ruled on Jinn?
Sir, Jinn basically came under the Sangrur province of late, which was a part of East Punjab, with PSU, Punjab and East Punjab States Union. Jinn was part of Sangrur province at that time.
It was part of PSU basically.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So properly Jinn or some village nearby?
No.
Julana?
Yeah, Julana, a constituency town in Jinn district.
Okay. What's your hobby?
Some my interests include swimming, fitness, and recently I've developed an interest in reading novels.
Okay. So your as a hobby, as you have mentioned, is, can you repeat once again?
Sir, my interests include swimming, fitness, and recent development
Swimming?
is. Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, do you know Michael Phelps?
Yes, sir. I know Michael Phelps.
Okay. How many medals does he won last?
In last Olympics, he won 8 gold medals.
Okay. Now total medal tally?
36.
In Olympics?
36, sir.
36. Okay. And apart from swimming, what are you master at? Backstroke swimming or which one?
Sir, I go with butterfly stroke and
Butterfly
backstroke both.
Okay. So what is the basic difference between butterfly stroke and the backstroke?
So we use both hands simultaneously in butterfly stroke, but in backstroke we have to keep our body positioned as a way to keep ourselves above the water. It basically
Who is
uses.
the swimming champion right now in India in 100 meters?
Sir, no idea, sir.
What is the reason behind India's failure in Olympics in swimming?
Sir, Indian Olympic policy, Indian sports policies give incentive to the players after they achieve something. We are not investing in the players right from the beginning where they need
Have you ever
the.
participated in any tournament?
Yes, sir, I did.
So have you ever won or?
Yeah, we scored first position in Savodaya Sports Complex volleyball.
So why
tournament.
don't you take swimming as a career rather than coming to these courses?
Sir, actually, in the conditions I'm living, I'm the only child who is available for the family works. My uncle started an industrial training institute in 2015, but in 2016 he got selected as a science teacher in education department Haryana.
Okay.
So I had to look after that after my graduation, and now I'm preparing for civil services and
Your
also.
father is police sub-inspector.
Yes, sir. Haryana
Is
Police.
it, sir?
In Rohtak, sir.
In Rohtak.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So why not going for the you are not the only bread earner as such. Your father earns handsome money.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Sir, the institute we started in 2015. It required a lot of investment, and the loss we could incur was, the risk was too high. So I had to give my time to that institute for 2 years. Now I am preparing for civil services.
you are preparing for civil service
Yes, sir.
right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, other hobbies apart from swimming is
Reading novels.
reading novels.
Yes, sir.
Hindi or English?
English, sir.
English novels.
Yes, sir.
What sort of novels?
It's a recent development, sir.
Okay, recent development. Okay, fine. Now, what was the last novel that you read?
I read Amish, the Shiva trilogy, and the
Shiva trilogy.
yes, sir, Ramchandra series also, written by Amish
What
Tripathi.
is the name of the main character of Shiva trilogy?
Shiva trilogy, sir. Shiva. It's his name is Shiva.
I know that.
Yes, sir.
Even I have read that. That's why I am asking. Now tell me, which is the favorite character? Which character is your favorite character?
Sir, I loved General Parvateshwar very much.
Who?
General Parvateshwar.
Parvateshwar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what things attracted you the most in that one?
So he was bound towards his duty, and he didn't let his personal emotions come between his duty and him.
So, are you like that? Or
Yes,
do you
sir.
want to be like that?
I'm developing myself to be like that.
Okay, developing. Okay, shall I ask certain current affairs questions as well? Do you read current affairs as you are now a civil
I
service
prepared them for
aspirant?
preliminary examinations, but now I'm focusing on my optional, sir. Fortunately, I've cleared prelims this year. It was my
Okay,
first
so,
attempt.
tell me, why would you come to this forces if you are selected for the civil services? Your first priority is civil services. You just came, as you got selected, you have come for the interview.
No, sir, I prepared for the examination first,
Okay, which examination?
CAPFAC.
Okay, CFPF, obviously when you are prepared for civil services, CFPF so obviously get cleared. So it doesn't need as very specific preparation for that.
Sir,
So what
for-
you have done for this post and why should we take you?
Sir, firstly, I prepared for CAPF Assistant Commandant. Now, when I cleared the physical and examination and physical medical, I was done with it. Then I started preparing for civil services. My physical
So
went.
now your physical medical has been done,
Yes, sir.
right? Now you are for the interview.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to start the preparation.
Yes, sir.
But you just said that okay, I'm with my option. I've started with my option.
No, sir. My physical and medical was done on 29th of December
It's not much time.
Last year.
last year.
Mm.
I started preparing for civils in January.
Mm.
So you got confidence basically.
Yeah, I got confidence from
And you
this.
can do it and you should do it.
Yes, sir.
And you are born to do the challenge. Okay. You have a good personality of swimming and a sports person, tall, good military wearing. But थोड़ा weight थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है क्या?
Sir,
प्रोग्राम वगैरह?
I'm working on it. Since 2 months, I've not been able to exercise.
Industrial training institution collaboration has made you less
No, no, sir.
outdoor activities.
I was preparing since it was only 1 month left for my preliminary examination of civil, so I could not devote so much time to exercise. So I've become a bit.
And you are a young person. You got a lot of age ahead of you, right?
Yes, sir. Age is in my favor, certainly.
And why did you get less marks in your graduation?
Sir, during graduation, my time was not devoted wholeheartedly to studies. I have to look after other family works also. So
Okay, but geography का spelling बताओ यार.
GEOGRAPHY.
आपने भरा ना?
No, sir. I got it filled from a cyber cafe.
उन्होंने भरा है.
Yes, sir.
तो बोर्ड में मत बताना
Okay, sir.
कि उन्होंने भरा है. इसको भरना आपको चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir.
तो ये तो दिख रहा है. इसमें maybe they will take it as a casual attitude, which is not good for the CFPF people. Serious. Why do you want to join CISF?
So CISF is growing day by day with the economic development of the country, and CISF gives me the opportunity to work in many states of India, which will
Which place would you like to be posted first posting? First posting, where will you get, or would you like to opt for?
Sir, I would like to opt for Haryana, obviously.
Haryana. So may I take it as it is that you want a posting which is closer to your home, and you continue working from your home and look after your other interests?
No,
and
sir.
Not look at the India as a whole to serve the country as a passionate citizen.
Sir,
Answer this.
I have this knowledge that we can't stay at one place for a long time.
If you have stayed your whole life in Jinn, now you want to have first posting also in Jinn. I thought that as a student you will be exploring the whole country, so you should be opting for Kerala.
Sir, not in Jind, but in Haryana, there are also many industrial inputs where.
So why don't you go out of Haryana if you are looking
Sir,
for
I'll also get a chance to go out, but I'll try.
Why first posting here?
Sir, because I want to learn work here and then go with my.
What do you want to learn in Haryana and CISF that you can't learn in Kerala? Think and speak. This question will be asked.
Yes, sir.
And I knew that you will tell me Haryana. That is why I asked you this question. And I brought you to that point and I won it. I have got my message.
Yes, sir.
And you got that. आप फंस गए.
Yes, sir.
और अभी आंसर नहीं मिल रहा.
I'll try to improve it, sir.
Now you answer this question. You know what will happen. Next question. In the butterfly, we only use arms. We don't use anything else.
Yes,
arms
sir.
तो सभी में use करते हैं. Synchronous करते हैं. ठीक.
Synchronously, sir.
But बाकी और क्या use करते हैं butterfly में?
Head also, sir.
And
Legs also. So shoulder.
Shoulder.
We use our shoulders to flex our arms.
शोल्डर का मूवमेंट है, बट बाकी में सब में हैंड
Yes,
हैंड
sir.
और लेग तो सब में मूव कर रहे हैं,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
बटरफ्लाई में यू एक्चुअली गोइंग डाइविंग विद द शोल्डर्स,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And then coming out with the shoulders.
Yes, sir.
So you are taking depth from shoulders.
Yes, sir.
बाकी में तो सब में हो रहा है, बट शोल्डर का यूज डायरेक्टली नहीं होता ऐसे,
Yes, sir.
राइट? तो थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर लो, लगे कि आपने किया हुआ बटरफ्लाई.
Yes, sir.
50 मीटर कितने देर में कर लेते हैं?
50 meters, sir. I've not measured it.
हाँ, टाइमिंग ऑप्टिशियन में गए?
So I do it for fitness.
Doesn't matter, but 50 meter length.
Actually, I do gym and then I go for swimming for half an hour.
Okay. Tell me 2 precautions which you take while entering swimming pool.
Firstly, sir, we have to wear
Okay.
eyeglasses so that the chlorine water doesn't affect our eyes.
ठीक है.
And second, we have to see that we do not go into the very shallow side of the pool.
Okay. Next. मैंने पूछा था before entering the water. Question भूल गया.
So at present, I'm not able to answer this question. I'm not collecting.
अगर हाइजीन का ख्याल के हिसाब से अगर आपको देखा है,
हम्म.
तो आप क्या करते हो स्विमिंग पूल में एंटर करने से पहले? और क्या बताया जाता है आपको? क्या लिखा होता है निर्देशों में वहाँ पर स्विमिंग पूल में या कहीं?
Sir, firstly, there is no smoking and drinking. Then,
स्विमिंग पूल में गए हो आप?
yes, sir.
अच्छा. तो फिर नोटिस
नहीं देखा.
नोटिस नहीं देखा पहले. चलो अभी आप CISF में
हाँ,
ज्वाइन
ये
करिए.
बोलते हैं आपको पहले.
Sir, what, sir?
आपको पानी
से
से
आपको कहते हैं कि आप एक अपने आप को नहा लो एक बार.
पानी
Sir,
में
बाद में, sir,
जाने से पहले नहाते हो आप?
actually the swimming pools we have in our area. Actually, the swimming pools we have in our area, they are just swimming pools,
ठीक है.
not those high-fi swimming clubs.
अब हम प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज पा रहे हैं. CISF में आ गए आप,
हाँ जी,
और
सर.
आपके यहाँ स्विमिंग का कंपटीशन होना है, और आप यूनिट कमांडर हो, और आपको नोटिस आ गई कि आप स्विमिंग कांटेक्ट करोगे, इंटर यूनिट स्विमिंग.
Thank you.
अभी आप 4-5 पॉइंट बताओ जो आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ध्यान करो. क्या क्या करोगे?
Sir, am I the organizer or
You are
participant?
ऑर्गेनाइजर.
Sir, firstly, I would see to the arrangements about the swimming pool and all these basic things. Then I would release a notice regarding the
What
interested.
security arrangement will you do for the swimming pool?
Sir, I would have like lifeguard jackets and all
Lifeguard jackets.
and all these things. And then I'll put out a notice regarding the names of the interested candidates.
Okay.
Then I'll try to keep a fair prize for the winners.
Okay, prize, very good, incentive.
And then, so that's all from now. I can tell.
फोटोग्राफी होगी, कैमरा बनेगा, मीडिया को बुलाना है, लोग के चीफ गेस्ट आएंगे, इनविटेशन जाएगी,
It will create awareness.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फैमिलीज भी आ सकती है, बच्चों को भी लाना चाहिए, सोशल अवेयरनेस भी होना चाहिए।
Yes, sir.
यूनिट का प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir.
सियासत मिलिट्री लीडर बन गए आप।
Yes, sir.
Raise your level now. Start thinking like that. Doesn't mean you will work ना?
Okay, sir.
Imagination ही नहीं कर रहे हो।
Okay.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes, sir.
You have a girlfriend. Very good. It appeared to me. Anyway, ऐसा लगा मुझे कि है ना?
Yes,
Anyway, तो do you believe in love marriage or arranged marriage?
Sir, I believe in love marriage.
So if your father doesn't agree, he is a inspector and a very disciplined person, बोलेगा what is this? Listen to me, my choice.
Actually, my
How do you
choice.
convince and what will you do in case your father and mother do not agree to you marrying this girlfriend?
Actually, this choice of love marriage of mine, it emerged from the ideology of my parents. They have given me the freedom to do so. They asked me to be successful and then choose my partner.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
all right. One more question I want to ask you, maybe the last question. सबसे बड़ा achievement क्या है अभी तक जिंदगी का आपका?
Sir, till now it's recent. I cleared prelims UPSC, civil services. This time it was my first attempt.
And most embarrassing moment of your life?
Sir, I could not even clear a Haryana government clerk exam,
Okay.
and I've been teaching students.
You have been, in your 47, 8.2 CGPA, 65% in 12th,
Yes, sir.
82 point. तो स्टूडेंट तो अच्छे हैं।
Sir, actually,
छोटे एग्जाम में तो भी क्लियर कहीं ना कहीं सक्सेस तो मिलनी चाहिए थी ना आपको।
sir, I got success. I got selected in. Now I applied for it again in Haryana clerk examination. Now I got selected, but
Do you think that your life has taken some tangents here and there and not been straight in as a student? That's why this is happening.
Yes, sir.
And this may cause certain personality traits problems in the future also, where you may get distracted.
sir, I've learned.
You steady on a straightforward person who is now focusing on to the aim. How do I take it from you with your background?
Sir, with all these mistakes, I've learned a lot from these all these mistakes, and I'm trying to rectify them and lead my life to a straightforward path, which will help me to do something better for the
So
society.
you feel you are confident, good student now, and happy person.
I'm trying my best now, sir. I'm trying my
Tell
best.
me what's happening between India and Myanmar. Recently something has been gifted.
Yes, sir. It was a rift regarding the Rohingya Muslims.
Okay. And something has been gifted to Myanmar by India, which has got a strategic, far-fetching results, and it is being talked in the international forum. What is that? What's 10 days back?
Sir, I'm not
What is
aware of
chicken
it
neck?
right now. What, sir?
Chicken neck.
No, sir.
How do we go to northeast states of India?
Northeast states of India, yeah. The
Okay.
passageway from Bihar to Assam.
Bihar to Assam,
That
to
is.
Siliguri. And can you tell me 7 states of India?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. With the capital.
Yes, sir. Starting from the north, Himachal Pradesh.
Northeastern state.
North, sir.
Northeastern state.
I mistake it for states only.
Yeah, this state.
Northeastern states: Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Tripura, Agartala, Manipur, Aizawl, Manipur, Imphal, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, and
What is Sri Harikota famous for?
sir, it's a launching pad of ISRO.
Launching pad of ISRO.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. ठीक है. आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं बोर्ड से?
नहीं सर, अब इसके बारे में पूछना है इंटरव्यू, जैसे मैं अभी
अभी
मेंस।
5 मिनट के बाद आपको बुला.
ओके सर।
फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू होगा.